Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete updated multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see from the lower time frame perspective, we see that gold is having some short-term breakdown. Let's see how we can trade. First, look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Looking at monthly perspective. Now, from the monthly, we can see that gold is currently strongly bullish. Now we saw from here there was a big monthly impulse to the upside. Now with that impulse we have seen that gold has broken all the recent level of resistance zone and created a new higher high. Now after this we see that now currently gold is coming for a pullback. That pullback can give us a short term trading opportunity on the lower time frame. If you look at overall market structure, we see that gold after this big impulse corrected, now it is in another impulsive phase. We have seen this current monthly candle has crossed this monthly high, which is the nearest level of resistance, and then created an overextended market. We see now the price currently dropping down. Now with that drop we might see some short-term movement to the downside to create a proper retracement, and then we could see another impulse to the upside. Now looking at weekly perspective, we can see at the beginning of trading week there is an impulse to the upside created this long wick candle that has in fact crossed this resistance zone, which is a quite significant resistance. As you have seen in the past, from that resistance we have seen this big drop happen. Now from that same level we have seen, after creating an overextended market, now the price is coming down for a deeper retracement. As you can see, the previous week was in a very strong bullish momentum. Now with that bullish momentum, now we can expect now short term retracement. If we take our Fibonacci for this move, we see that from the weekly perspective there are possible zone for gold to come back. There's one here which can be reached, or even before reaching that we might see another bullish momentum on the lower time frame. So let's see how we can capitalize this move on gold. There is also another resistance zone on the weekly. We can see that this level, which is around 1959 level, which is the previous resistance, turning support here. Now if we look at the daily, we can see there is a daily doji has been formed previous day. Now the price is coming down to the same level where there is the previous day's low. Let's draw a level as well. As after breaking this low we might see again some movement to the upside. So these are the zone that we can expect gold to drop. Highly likely it might drop to 1960 level, and then may see some short-term bullish move again to the upside. Looking at further lower time frame, we can see that this is where exactly expected in the live streaming. This is what I mentioned, that gold failed to create new higher high. As you can see, previous day there was a strong bullish move, and then immediately has come back down with this long doji. Now that doji in fact grabbed liquidity on gold and then created this movement. Again we have seen a liquidity from the bottom. Now both of this liquidity, gold is giving a strong probability for dropping. As you can see, after this liquidity grab, the bulls couldn't create any new higher high. Instead created narrow three bullish candle, the sign that the bulls couldn't make new higher high, and as a result bears to control. Now we see that gold again has come to the support zone. So this is one level that we can see gold might be breaking. There is another one here that we can see, which is the previous resistance here turning support, along with this 4-hour 20 EMA, and gold might highly likely come back down to test this level. Let's jump on to further lower time frame on the 15 minutes. As you can see that this is a long-term bull market, and we just had a triggered in our short-term trade, that on sell trade on gold, which we sold from this zone, stop loss above this high, and it's already hitting the TP, and we will be looking to have more on this. As you can see, the price is breaking down, and highly likely gold initially should come back to this level of support here, even As you can see, there is an important level of support here. This movement happened, so we'll be waiting for another trading opportunity. Now you can see in this 15-minute chart there was a long consolidation, has breakdown, retest this previous neckline of this previous support and resistance, and we have seen this big drop happen. Now the next move can happen, we can go for short again if the price reach that level, this previous support zone here, which is turning resistance along with this swing low. So impulse correction, impulse, we will be waiting for another correction, and we'll look for another sell setup on gold back to back. So as soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity along this zone on the lower time frame on gold, we will be consider again going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading gold. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.